Cage #1, day 2 of the IMMAF 2022 Youth Championships, and we kick off today with the Youth B contest. Yes. Yeah, one of the differences of today is you are allowed those guillotines, those arm-in guillotines. And we have Adilet Dalkhanov from Kazakhstan taking on Ukraine's Habibulov Umedov. Oh, looking for the armbar here. Trying to hyper-extend that left arm of his opponent. Does well though, he's turned that angle. Managed to bend that arm, taking all the pressure away. Now he's looking to switch to the triangle. Oh, he's turned well. A very strong opening here from the fighter from the Ukraine. Habibulov Umedov again looking for that takedown. Really strong control from this young man. Now looking to wrap those legs up. We've seen that become a real prevalent technique. Habib Nurmagomedov, almost his namesake. Oh, look at the switch around. Got to be careful this time. He's got to keep turning that corner. Here we have a reaction from the fighter from Kazakhstan. Oh, that low kick took his legs away. Really good stuff. Now trying to get to the back, stepping over. Oh, switching now. These rounds today, 4 minutes as opposed to yesterday. The Youth C category, they were 3-minute rounds. This time we have 4 minutes. Oh, a lot of pressure coming. Oh, big takedown as well. Nice work there. Really strong stuff. And the clock is ticking as well. Using that head pressure, that grip around the waist to control his opponent. Stop him building that base, looking at his corner. Oh. He can set the choke up from here, and he's trying to step over there. Wow. This is it now, mounted. That's a huge move. You can see the grimace on this young man's face, looking at his corner. And that's it, he's got the tap. Really, really slick move there. Very, very strong stuff. Set that grip up, stepped over into mount, added all that pressure. There we have from Uzbekistan, the winner